Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add border to a shape in Canva. So shape is one element that is available in Canva, and it is basically a vector object. So you can get shape by going to elements, and then you can visit shapes, and all of these options are basically shapes. And here's how you can add border to a shape in Canva. So what you need to do is you have to select on a shape that you want to add the border. For example, I'm going to select this star shape. You can also select multiple shapes if you want to. You can press and hold the shift key on the keyboard and then click on each shape that you want to select. Or you can also use the click and drag method by clicking on an empty area and then drag it to create this square, and then you can basically cover all the shapes that you want to change or you want to modify. And after that, you can click on border style, and then here if you want to add a border, you have to increase the border weight to between 1 to 100, but of course you don't want to set to 100 because it's going to make the shape inside of the border to be too small. So maybe you want to set a moderate level, maybe 20. I think that's good enough. And of course you have the option to change the style. There is an option for a solid line, there is a dashes, there is dot as well, and yeah, you can choose whichever style that you want to apply. I'm going to go with a simple solid line. And of course you also have the option to change this color, the border color. So you can change it to gradient color. You can also use the solid color if you want to, and basically that's how you can do it. But one thing that you probably didn't notice is that there's another shape right here. This is actually shape, but it happens to have a color that is similar or the same as the background. So if I want to reveal it, I can add a border to it, and now you can see the object. So I think this border effect can be useful if you want to create a hollow object like this, where the background and the content inside of the shape is the same. So that's exactly how you can add a border to a shape in Canva. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you on the next video.